Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of VJ Show. And yesterday I just mentioned that I will give you some surprise, right? So, are you ready to see the surprise? Actually, it's a surprise that I am just making. That I don't even know that you will just surprised over the element. Are you ready for that? So, it's going to reveal within seconds. Three, two, one, go. And welcome back again, guys. And this is the transformation that I am just given you as a surprise. So that's why I just went yesterday for a saloon for cutting my hair. So it's my new style that I totally what a new invention or totally a new must adaptation to my hairstyles. Normally I just don't even use these kinds of styles, but this time I just prefer for doing such a variety uh, style. So hope that you will just enjoy it or being excited over the style. So I am just hoping that uh, it's much for my kind of pattern or structure that I have. So without losing any, welcome back again, guys, and it's about is day I think 69, alle, right? Sorry, I just mispronounce or use a Malayalam word. That's why it's a what native language of mine. So that's why, and I think it's about 69, 69 of VJ show, English show, and welcome back again, guys. And it's another nice and sweet and calm episode. So without losing the seconds, we are just moving out to the segment, which is vocabulary bank. As you all know that without non-availability of sufficient new vocabulary, we are just planning for reviewing the entire segment with previous vocabularies that already been taught. So without losing any minute, we are just moving out to that. And habinger, a signal that something is going to happen. Saccharine, extremely sweet in taste. Delicacy, extreme care in handling something. Fluviophile, a person who deeply enjoys the rain. Felicity, intense feeling of happiness. Serene, calm and peaceful. Quintessential, most essential. Nemesis, rival. Lagniappe, small gift given as a sign of gratitude. Liquacious, extremely talkative. Hangle, bargain over a price. Immerse, involve deeply in an activity, dip completely in a liquid. Impel, drive or urge to do something. Endeavor, try hard to achieve. Infuriate, make angry. Glimpse, a brief or partial view. Clinomania, intense desire to stay in bed. Eloquence, speech having persuasive quality. Epoch, a long period of time. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short period of time. Oblivion, state of being unaware of what is happening around you. Scintilla, a tiny amount of something. Assimilate, becomes similar. Hinders, stops, prevents. Nonchalant, not caring, cool. Ambiguous, not clear. Scoff, to make fun of. Retrospect, looking back with wisdom. Rejuvenated, alive again. Resilient, easily recover from difficult situation. Spur, spontaneous. Slouch, not sitting straight. And that's all. And we are just winding up the segment, which is vocabulary bank, and we are just trying to go for our next segment, which is open fire. For as usual, the same phrases I am just repeatedly using, and it's about what some reviews there as well as some storytelling also is there. So without losing any seconds, we are going to reviewing some movie, and it's about some hangover, right? It's a Hollywood movie, and it's about what I just watched some YouTube videos in English language. So at the presenter comments, or if you have any disturbance or some needed some mood change, or you completely upset about some situations or what situations, something like that, then you must watch the Hangover series. So it's totally of three series, and I just watched last night the first series, and it's totally changed my attitude. I just have that kind of what laugh. Uh, I think many of the areas I just got that kind of laugh. It's completely what naturally came. It's because I don't want to laugh in a situation where I don't like that kind of jokes or something like that. But yesterday I totally changed the way they present the content, and that's why I totally enjoyed the movie. I totally reviewed that with what rating of 8. It's because that kind of enthusiasm we can see from its beginning to its end, and it's totally about adult movie, but actually it's about they don't even crack jokes over the what situation. It's actually the situation they are involved in it, and the situation where they are being placed, and that itself is the what kind of matter which brings us laugh over the situation. So it's actually the scenes that we can see the three four friends, or completely four friends is completely involved in this character from the means involved in this roles as the main lead characters, and from its beginning to its end they are the lead or prominent roles played. So we can see it's actually very much what energetic. That's the same word. It's because you know that I have that kind of issues when I watch movies when it's about second show, like nothing like that. I just started it's from 11 p.m. and you can see it's completely about 2.5 hours. So I totally get sleep sleep after 1 hour or 1.5 hour. It's because I have that kind of habitat that I am used to previously. So but yesterday it's the thing that changed is that I totally enjoyed. I continuously watched from its beginning to its end with the same kind of enthusiasm, and it's totally honored or completely I admire the filmmaker to create that kind of stuffs. So I totally enjoyed the movie, and it's about the verbal language or verbal jokes, nothing like that. The situations that they are created or being involved, that itself is the comedy element in that movie, and totally enjoyed that, and I totally recommend it too. So and that's all, and we are just moving over to the next uh, part, which is the I just yesterday watched some story about the story told by Joseph Annukutti Jose. He's a what famous presenter or over radio jockey, or we can see that he is a radio jockey in a Kerala. So he just told his own experience about some past events, which is you all know that football legend Ronaldinho. So he is came here in Kerala. I think where when I don't get that year when he mentioned, but he just mentioned the story. It's because he is completely passionate about that. What he's completely admire over him, and it's about we all have that kind of fan base, right, or fanship over some certain personal in our entire life. So he also has that kind of dreams over it, and to want what want to want to I, I don't even get that word. It's because I want to introduce to himself that one day, and when he acknowledged that he Ronaldinho is came to Kerala to promote a football which is even stopped for some years. So he have to restart that, and that's the initiative that he came to Kerala. So at that time he just arrived. Ronaldinho arrived at Kochi, and then he went on to Kozhikode. So it's a place at the north side of Kerala, topmost north. top northmost of Kerala. So Joseph Anakuti Jose is just lived at Kochi itself. So he have some interviews or some meetings over some business affairs. So he just went on to meetings. After that, he get a lunch over Marriott Hotel, and it's a famous international hotel. You all know, familiar with that, right? So he have that lunch over the hotel. So at that time, some but miraculous event happened at that moment, at that place, and it's about Ronaldinho came with two other friends, and it's about they came here for ate the lunch. So at that time he completely what amazed of the situations, and he totally enjoyed the moment. After that he just go there and just introduce himself. Not himself, he have that dream to take a selfie over that, and Ronaldinho even don't even know the English language, so that he just acted or making gestures over the event or the act to execute that, to take a selfie with him, and he just admitted that, and he just allowed him to take a selfie, and after as the same event, if and he have that kind of moral story that if you have that kind of things, if it's a small thing or big dream, anything like that, you just stick on that, and everything will be happen at the right time. That's it. And he just mentioned it that, and I totally enjoyed the way he just present the whole event and whole situation or scenario in a way that we are just involved in that hotel itself. So we can see that kind of pleasure or excitement over him, or just he just totally present, and I totally adore him. It's because how he presents the content, and that differentiates him from others. So I totally enjoy that kind of presentation, and I don't even follow anyone, but I totally want that kind of attention over the my content. So I am just focusing on that, and just still hoping that I can overcome such barriers over my presentation or some what communication, anything. I surely know that I have that kind of barriers or lacking factors in my communication. So you are just coping, or yeah, you are just hoping with me or supporting me in this situation. But each day I am just presenting my content in a way that I have to make a yeah, mistake as well as I have to find it out. That's all. And after that I just make gradual improvement in the mistakes itself. So I have to make sure that I will commit mistakes. That's the only thing that I am today uh, following idiom or quote always in my mind. So I totally is given more chances or more time for committing mistakes. It's because you all know that we are just trying to being perfect over time, right? So we are just in childhood itself we can see many of our friends or colleagues, anywhere we can see they are just acting like matured guys, and they are completely taking the leadership, and they are thinking that they have that kind of potential to guide the others as a great leader. So they are trying or imitating others, or they are just facing challenges, or they have that kind of images that they are completely matured guys, and we have to make sure that we have that kind of potential. Then only we have to communicate with them, or having conversations with that kind of strong content, and that itself is something which is wrongly we just analyzed, and it's nothing like that. The world itself or the universe itself taught us so many things around or during the time, and time itself is the main thing that you taught many things over the time. So you just being calm, and what else you just want to crack any chali or comedy jokes, or you have to be more matured for the situation. Anything, you just have that kind of thoughts or ideas which evolved or comments over your mind. It's totally of yours, and you just follow your mind or heart. That's all. And don't want to imitate or mimic anything in this world, and don't want to be like that guy or this guy. Nothing like that. You just establish your own brand in this universe, and it's about how long you just lived here. It's not a issue, and it's because you are famous from its beginning or from its birth to its end. But you are not familiar with, or you are not familiar with more than 100 people or 500 people. It's because you have to take that time to establish you as a individual among the other community. So you have to take that kind of time or such stuffs, so that you can be properly established, and you don't want to get what eagerly focus on the status or the fame, anything like that. Everything will be properly or exactly or adequately effective in your life will be shown at the perfect time, and just wait for that. And everything you being doing anything today, and you just imagine that it's completely what a wasteful of time, and it's totally your imagination, right? So you are just overthinking over these kinds of stuffs or some ideas. So it's totally a wrong thing. It's because I can make sure that, or I can mention it like this, or I just mention this as, or these kinds of thoughts as a thing that if being in an inertia state, you can be that kind of learning something which is invisible. You can't even feel it, but in future itself you can see that you just being inertia state or state of inertia, it it itself is something which you get from that time, or being calm and quiet or serene mood or tranquil way of what staying focused on something, and something like that. And it's about the time that will rotate over time, over moments, and you just have that present time, and you just have to focus on that, and don't want to overthink over negative thoughts. Negative thoughts, exactly, there is nothing like that, but you have to be focused on things that dream for future, and don't want to miss any of that things, and that's all. And I have to present much more topics into it, but time is being going forward, so that's why I am just winding up today's episode. So if each day I am just making much more mistakes, that's the only thing that I am always trying to create. So hope that I know you have known the mistakes that I already been committed from its beginning to till now. So it's about you just being but silent or being patient for the process. So I totally enjoy the way you just support me, and I totally gratitude over the act of yours, and I have no words, or I am totally nil over the act of yours. So I am totally thanking you all, guys. So I'm just winding up today's episode. It's about 69 of EJ Show English Show, and here Jitin signing off. Bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye.